Hi guys, I'm Professor Andy Chow, an Associate Professor at the Department of System Engineering. Today I would like to show you the use of AI in system engineering. We have been seeing how the evolution of technology is shaping today's world. We see the first industrial revolutions 300 years ago. We learned to use steam power and history changed forever. Then we knew how to use electricity in the 19th century and then computers starting from the 1970s. Today, we are looking at Industry 4.0. We are changing engineering and city development with communications, technologies, and AI. What is AI in system engineering? Let's take a look at these prototypes as examples. Welcome robots, autonomous cars, and conveyor belt. An AI system is designed to sense the surroundings, process the information, and take appropriate actions by itself. Take this little welcome robot as an example. It's ability to sense knowing you are around, process the information, wave at you, and play a tone. And all these tasks look simple, or does it? It has to decide what to do, when to do, and this requires system engineering. We also look for opportunities where we can make our cities smart and safe. One example is the productions and applications of autonomous car. Another example includes a green rooftop gardens made by our students. We want to achieve environmentally sustainable development through a combined use of sensing and ICT. It senses the environmental parameters like humidities, temperatures, and sunlight to determine its watering volume. Till now, there are only around 60 rooftop gardens in Hong Kong. The smart system we are working on for the rooftop will reduce operational costs, but there's still some more work to do. Apart from product design, AI is also used in different innovative service provision. The sharing economy and different kinds of e-commerce activities have become popular, especially since COVID. With the increasing numbers of digital service platforms, we see the rise of crowdsourcing activities, which share productions, distributions, and consumption of goods and service by different people and organizations via ICT and AI. We system engineers develop ways to get the job done effectively. We design different kinds of AI-driven logistic operations with use of crowdsourced couriers. Like this one, the system engineers working on in Shenzhen. Compared with the traditional approaches, crowdsourcing offers the potential of reducing operating costs while making workforce management more flexible. So, what can be the magic piece of AI systems? The future may be LLM, large language models. AI learn from voice, text, and image and give us question and answer, sentimental analysis, image captioning, and object recognition. Now imagine this little waving robot can do all this and help out everyone in our city. How can such a city not be smart? That's it for today. Peace.